Looking for a PC case that combines sleek design with top-tier cooling and effortless cable management? The Corsair 4000D offers all that and more, making it an ideal choice for anyone building a high-performance system. With innovative features designed to keep your components cool and your setup clean, it's a smart investment for your next upgrade. What sets the 4000D apart is its Rapid Route Cable Management System. This clever design channels all your major cables through a single, spacious 25mm pathway behind the motherboard. That means less clutter and easier access when you're building or upgrading. Plus, Velcro strips and zip ties come included, so organizing your cables is fast and hassle-free. Cooling is another area where this case shines. It comes with two 120mm Corsair AirGuide fans featuring anti-vortex vanes that focus airflow directly where it's needed. Beyond that, the roomy interior supports up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm fans, and can fit multiple radiators, including a 360mm radiator up front and a 280mm radiator on top, depending on your RAM height. This flexibility ensures your system stays cool even under heavy loads. Connectivity is also thoughtfully designed. The front I/O panel places modern ports within easy reach, including a USB 3. One Type-C port, a USB 3. 0 port, and a combo audio, microphone jack. Whether you're plugging in peripherals or headphones, you won't have to reach around the back of your PC. One user from the U.S. shared their experience after upgrading their GPU. They praised the case for its robust build quality, a mix of metal and sturdy plastic that feels far from flimsy. Assembly and disassembly are straightforward, making it friendly for both beginners and seasoned builders. The only minor drawback was the hard drive bay limiting PSU space, but this was easily managed by adjusting the bay's position. This same user highlighted the excellent airflow and spacious interior, which allowed plenty of room for fans and air cooling. Cable management was a breeze thanks to the well-thought-out design and included accessories. The minimalist look, especially in the white finish, added a clean, modern touch to their setup. If you want a case that balances style, cooling performance, and easy cable management without breaking the bank, the Corsair 4000D is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone upgrading their PC or building a fresh system that needs reliable airflow and neat wiring. Try the Corsair 4000D when you're ready to elevate your build with a case that keeps things cool, clean, and visually striking. It's a solid choice that delivers on what matters most for your PC's performance and appearance.